Do you want to delete your X account? I will show you how to delete it in seconds, right from your PC. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your X account on your PC. So first, open X, that's Twitter's new name. Then look in the bottom left and click on More. Then click Settings and Privacy. Then you will land on a page called Your Account. Then scroll and you will find Deactivate Your Account. Click on it. Then scroll down. Then again click Deactivate. And now it will ask for your password. Just type that in and then click Deactivate again. So your account will be hidden right away. If you don't log back within 30 days, it will stay deactivated forever. And that's it. You did it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you in my next video.